Hello students, Jai Swami Narayan. I hope you all are well and fine at your home. Today we will start our textbook part of chapter 1 of a national fruit mango. In the previous session we had already discussed the introduction part in which we had discussed the mathematical concept which we are going to cover in this chapter like shapes, place value, addition, subtraction, division, multiplication and the word problem related to the general concept. Now we will start. Now in the starting you can see one small poem is given. You can see this poem which is in Gujarati. Kanji sune koyal keri kunj keri bagichi, which means Kanji listen, a cuckoo coos, mangoes in the orchard. Count total letter of this poem. Now you can see the total letters in the poem. In the first line there are 5 letters. In the second line there are 7 letters and in the third line there are 5 letters. Total letters in the poem is 17. This is called haiku. This is a haiku in which the pattern of the words is always same. 5, 7, 5. There are 5 letters in the first row, there are 5 letters in the last row along with the 7 letters in middle row. Total 17 letters are there. This poem of 3 line is called haiku. You can see the poem of this 3 line is called haiku. It is a poetic form of Japan. It is written in 17 letters only. उसका formation हमेशा 17 letters में ही होता है. Here given below is another haiku. Now you can see when another haiku is given. मीठी सुगंधी छू सोरठनी केरी हूँ छू केसर, which means mango is saying that I am a sweet and fragrant mango from Sorat. I am Kesar. Do you know any poem or story about mango? Yes, we had learned so many poems and stories on mangoes. Some pictures of mango given here are made by the children. You can see some of the pictures here it is given which is made by the children. Which shapes come to your mind when you think about mangoes? Draw a picture as given below using different shapes of mangoes you thought. When you think about mangoes, which shape is coming to your mind that you can draw and try it by yourself? Okay, come to the next page. In Sanskrit, mango is called amra. You can see in Sanskrit it is called amra. Different shapes of amra often commonly seen in embroidery work, painting or jewelry design. You can see here the pattern is given, different design is given which is in the shape of mango. आपने देखा होगा ये मैंगो शेप के डिज़ाइन हम कर्टन्स में देखते हैं, ऑन साड़ीज़ भी आर सीइंग, हम जो मेहंदी लगाते हैं उसमें भी होती हैं ऐसी डिज़ाइन, राइट. दैट ऑल डिज़ाइन हैज़ फॉर्म फ्रॉम द शेप ऑफ मैंगो ओनली. Observe the pictures on cotton, mat or any other thing that find mangoes of different colors and shapes. Draw mangoes of different type with a different design. You can try it by yourself with a different shapes and design. Move ahead. Talala Taluka of Gir Somnath district. The Taluka Talala of Gir Somnath is famous for the Kesar mangoes. This district Talala is famous for which mangoes? Kesar. Worldwide. This famous in worldwide. The quality of the land ecology are suitable for growing mango. जो उसकी जो quality है वो land की वो बहुत suitable है to grow mangoes which is Kesar. Talala can be called the capital of Kesar. The plantation of mango are called Ambawadi. Where the plantation is done, जहाँ पे ये सारे मैंगोज उगते हैं, जहाँ पे प्लांटेशन लगाते हैं, उसे हम बोलते हैं आंबावाड़ी. They are lifeline of this region. You must have heard Ambe avya mor, varta कहशु por. A mango tree initially bear flowers in the season of spring. First mango tree bears flowers. उसके flowers आते हैं in the season of spring. After that it bears mango fruits. Mangoes are picked from the trees and piled on the ground. They are picked from the trees. उससे जब fruits आ जाते हैं trees पे, then they are picked, take out from the trees and piled on the ground. इकट्ठा किए जाते हैं. Then they are segregated and packed in a different boxes as per their quality. When they are piled together, then they are segregated. For example, अगर कुछ आम कच्चे हैं तो वो अलग से पैक किए जाएंगे, अगर कुछ थोड़े पके हैं तो उसे हम अलग से पैक करेंगे. तो this are segregated according to the quality and these boxes are sent to the market yard. In this way, mangoes are piled, segregated and sent to the market. Bring similar number of mango boxes as the number of students in the class. Means suppose you have to bring number of mango boxes as the number of students in the class. Each boxes must contain 18 mango. If all the students will open the boxes and pile the mangoes in a single heap, what will be the total number of mangoes in that heap? Now for example, suppose in your class there are 30 students. How many students? 30 students. Okay. Each box must contain 18 mangoes and each and every student is bringing one box of mango. हर एक बच्चा एक बॉक्स लेके आ रहा है मैंगो का. और एक बॉक्स में कितने मैंगोज़ है? 18 मैंगोज़. तो टोटल जब वो बॉक्सेस खुलेंगे तो टोटल मैंगोज़ कितने होंगे? तो हमें वो कैसे पता चलेगा? We will multiply it by 18. If you will multiply 30 into 18, what you will get? The total number of mangoes. So you will get 540 heaps of mangoes, total mangoes. That means 30 students की जो भी boxes आएंगे वो सबको मिला के total mangoes कितने होंगे? 540. Okay. Then it is asked what will be the total number of heaps if 10 mangoes each can be made from the big heap. Now if you have total 540 मैंगोज़, टोटल 540 मैंगोज़, और अब इसे 540 मैंगोज़ को आपको 10 के हिप्स में डिवाइड करना है. मीन्स तो व्हाट यू विल डू? यू विल डिवाइड इट बाय 10. क्यों? क्योंकि आपको इसको 10 के पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. तो यू विल डिवाइड 540 बाय 10. 0 0 कैंसिल. तो ऐसे टोटल कितने हिप्स बनेंगे? 54 हिप्स. ओके. Guess how many trees will be there in a single orchard Ambawadi? That you have to guess by yourself.